Hi everyone, in this video, we will walk you through how to add POS staff and assign their roles. First, let's navigate to Settings and find the Administrator and Permissions section, and then click Add Administrator. Fill in your administrator name and email address, then click Add. Next, go to the POS channel, click Staff, click on Add a Staff, and select your staff from the drop-down box to assign them to a store and POS role from the pre-registered administrator list. The system will automatically generate a 4-digit PIN code for the staff to unlock the POS register, or you can create a unique code for each staff member. We also have an option for the system to generate a random PIN code for you. Stay tuned for our next step-by-step video that demonstrates how to add products and inventory to different retail locations.